Modern agriculture machines have revolutionized farming by offering powerful, efficient, and precise solutions for various tasks. These machines are designed to optimize productivity and minimize the time and labor required for farming operations. From planting and harvesting to soil preparation and crop maintenance, modern agriculture machines have greatly improved the speed, accuracy, and effectiveness of farming practices. In today's video, we will be showing you modern, powerful agriculture machines. Without further ado, let's begin. John Deere S790 Combine Harvester. The John Deere S790 is a high-capacity combine harvester designed for the efficient and effective harvesting of various crops. It is a part of the John Deere S-Series combine harvester lineup, which includes several models with varying levels of capacity and features. The S790 is equipped with a powerful engine that provides up to 543 horsepower, which enables it to operate at high speeds and cover more ground in less time. The harvester also features the ProDrive transmission system, which allows for smooth shifting and optimal speed control while in the field. One of the key features of the S790 is its active yield system, which uses sensors to automatically measure and calibrate the grain yield in real time. This helps farmers to optimize their harvest and minimize waste. The S790 also has a spacious and comfortable cab, which is equipped with the latest technology and controls to help operators work more efficiently. Case IH Magnum 380 CVT Tractor. The Case IH Magnum 380 CVT is a high-horsepower tractor designed for heavy-duty tasks in agriculture, construction, and other industries. It is one of the most powerful tractors in the Magnum series and features a continuously variable transmission (CVT) for optimal performance and efficiency. The Magnum 380 CVT is powered by an 8.7 liters engine that delivers up to 419 horsepower, making it capable of handling a wide range of challenging applications. It features a CVT transmission that provides seamless speed changes and greater fuel efficiency, allowing for precise control in a variety of operating conditions. The tractor also comes equipped with advanced technology and features, including a multifunctional display, advanced hydraulic system, and automated guidance system, among others. It is compatible with a wide range of implements, making it a versatile option for a variety of tasks. The Magnum 380 CVT has a spacious and comfortable cab that offers a panoramic view of the surroundings and excellent visibility for improved safety and productivity. New Holland T9.700 Tractor. The New Holland T9.700 is a high-horsepower tractor designed for large-scale farming operations. It is part of the T9 series of tractors and is one of the most powerful models in the lineup, with a maximum horsepower rating of 670. The T9.700 is equipped with a 12.9 liters engine that provides high torque levels and excellent fuel efficiency. It features a heavy-duty power-shift transmission that offers 16 forward and 2 reverse speeds, allowing for precise control and optimal performance in a variety of field conditions. The tractor also features advanced technology features, including a touchscreen display, an automated guidance system, and an integrated telematics system, among others. It is compatible with a range of implements, including plows, cultivators, and seeders, among others, making it a versatile option for a variety of tasks. The T9.700 has a spacious and comfortable cab that offers excellent visibility and ergonomic controls for improved operator comfort and productivity. It also features a climate control system, advanced sound system, and other amenities to ensure operator comfort during long hours of operation. CLAAS Jaguar 990 Forage Harvester. The CLAAS Jaguar 990 is a high-performance forage harvester designed for efficient and effective harvesting of crops such as corn, grass, and sorghum. It is one of the most powerful models in the Jaguar series and features advanced technology and features to optimize harvest productivity and quality. The Jaguar 990 is equipped with a powerful 24.2-liter engine that delivers up to 925 horsepower, making it capable of handling even the toughest crops and conditions. It features a variable speed drive that allows for precise control and optimal fuel efficiency. The forage harvester also features advanced technology features, including the CLAAS CEBIS terminal, which provides a comprehensive overview of machine and crop data, as well as automatic control of the forage harvester functions. The Jaguar 990 is also equipped with a four-wheel drive system and a differential lock, which ensures excellent traction and stability in any field condition. Kubota M7 171 tractor. The Kubota M7 171 is a high-horsepower tractor designed for a wide range of agricultural applications. It is one of the most powerful models in the M7 series and features advanced technology and features to optimize performance and productivity. The M7 171 is powered by a 6.1 liters engine that delivers up to 168 horsepower, making it capable of handling a variety of tasks, including heavy tillage, planting, and harvesting. It features a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that allows for seamless speed changes and optimal fuel efficiency, allowing for precise control in a variety of operating conditions. The tractor also features advanced technology features, including a large LCD monitor, an automated guidance system, and a hydraulic system with a high flow rate, among others. It is compatible with a wide range of implements, making it a versatile option for a variety of tasks. Horschmeister SV Planting Machine. The Horschmeister SV is a high-performance planting machine designed for the precise and efficient planting of a wide range of crops. It is one of the most advanced models in the Maestro series and features advanced technology and features to optimize planting productivity and accuracy. The Maestro SV is equipped with a central seed hopper that can hold up to 4,000 liters of seed, allowing for extended periods of operation without refilling. It features a hydraulically driven seed metering system that allows for precise seed placement and spacing, ensuring optimal crop yields. The planting machine also features advanced technology features, including an intelligent control system, GPS guidance, and a row-by-row seed rate control system, among others. It is compatible with a wide range of seed types and planting widths, making it a versatile option for a variety of crops and field conditions. Krone Big M450 Self-Propelled Mower. The Krone Big M450 is a high-capacity, self-propelled mower designed for efficient and effective mowing of large areas of grassland. It is one of the most powerful models in the Big M series and features advanced technology and features to optimize mowing productivity and quality. The Big M450 is equipped with 6 mowing units that provide a total cutting width of up to 9.14 meters, allowing for fast and efficient mowing of large fields. It features a powerful 12.5-liter engine that delivers up to 449 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance in even the toughest conditions. The mower also features advanced technology and features, including the Krone EasyFlow mowing system, which ensures gentle and efficient crop handling. It also features a hydraulically driven conditioner that allows for precise conditioning of the crop, ensuring optimal drying and nutrient preservation. AGCO Fendt Ideal Combine Harvester. The AGCO Fendt Ideal is a high-performance combine harvester designed for optimal efficiency and productivity during the harvesting of grains. It is one of the most advanced models in the Fendt Ideal series and features cutting-edge technology and features to optimize grain harvesting. The Fendt Ideal is equipped with a powerful engine and drivetrain, ensuring excellent performance in even the toughest harvesting conditions. It features a large grain tank with a capacity of up to 17,100 liters, allowing for extended periods of harvesting without having to stop to unload. The combine harvester also features advanced technology features, including the Fendt IDEAL harvest system, which ensures gentle crop handling and optimal grain separation. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.